So, sir, I'm starting with the interview questions right now. So, sir, you have held a key position at the Education Institute throughout your professional career. So, what are the key
Yeah.
factors that keep you connected with the educational sector?
First of all, actually, this is my passion to teach the students and just to cater the right services in the field of education. And apart from this, actually, I have a zeal to make the students, aware of the meaning of discipline and the right path towards the career.
Okay.
That's it.
So the next question is, what is your philosophy of your leadership, and how would you describe your leadership style?
Okay, there are two terms in this world, that is boss and leader.
Yeah.
Right. Boss is actually everyone used to say that he's my boss, she's my boss, and boss is always right. But in my opinion, leader is the best. But not, every leader is a boss, but not every boss is a leader. Leader delegates you. I mean, you or the team, the work, and he or she sets back. And after a couple of days, after a couple of months, when the things come to the execution, he or she will definitely ask you, "Have you done this? Do you need my? Do you still need my help?" and all that. But boss takes all the credit of his team, and he or she says, "I have done this. I have made that work done, and I'm doing very good. I need promotion. Okay, I'll not provide you any weekly off or anything like this." Actually, he starts rebuking his team or her team members, but a leader does not do anything like this. So in my opinion, leader is the best, and for the leadership skills, one must have the knowledge of wisdom, and without wisdom, one cannot be leader.
Okay.
Next, please.
Okay. So how does the curriculum of your college ensure the best practice in the industry?
Okay, that's a very good question. Actually, our institution cannot or does not make any curriculum for the students. Okay,
Okay.
this is all about the university norms and the syllabus of the university. University provides, and they provides as well as they provoke us to go with the same curriculum. I mean the syllabus. But apart from this, we as an institution, we people inculcate some religional values, some administrative values, some co-curricular activities into the students, so that they would be able to survive as well as they would be able to enjoy each and every situation in the outer world.
Okay.
Next, please.
So moving on to the next question, sir. Any insight into how your college would be more welcoming to the students of different races and economic backgrounds?
Okay.
Yeah, any scholarship, any financial assistance, or yeah.
This is what I'm saying. Actually, our institution is exactly at number one. If out of so many colleges of IP University, actually our institution provides scholarships every year to the meritorious students, to the best athletes, to the subject toppers, to the university toppers, to the academicians whose result has been very good. I mean, academically above 80 or 85%. All the academicians, I mean, all the teachers. Actually, if I talk about myself, I have been honored with pride of the institution 3 times, and excellence of the institution 2 times, and letter of appreciation I have received 2 times, just to push in a positive way to all the students and all the teachers. Our institution is in the practice of the same thing, and every year we celebrate annual function, and we used to call some dignitaries, some eminent personalities like MPs, member of parliaments, some public figures, and from those public figures, from those eminent personalities, the teachers and the students receive the awards along with the sheets. and some prize money is also defined. For as a scholarship, we provide 11,000 scholarship to first who stand first in our college. I mean, in the class, and the subject toppers, they are something else. Actually, amounts are already defined, and for the best athletes, we provide some trophies and some other things as well.
Okay. So moving on to the next question, sir. What do you see as college's greatest strength that differentiate from the rest of the colleges?
First of all, we are A plus grade by SFRC, State Fee Regulatory Committee, and from NAC and our college is NAC accredited. The very last year we were accredited by NAC itself, and by Government of Delhi we are A plus again. By IP University we are A plus again, and we provide internships. We provide employment to the final year students. I mean BBA students, BBA and BB CAM students, and every year around 26 organizations, I mean 26 companies visit at our institution.
Okay, that's good.
By the placement office. Yeah.
Okay, so moving on to the next question, sir. What are the some biggest challenges you see both for the higher education in general and for colleges specifically?
Okay, this is all about only one thing. Actually, students, this is an extraordinary situation nowadays. You are seeing that this is the worldwide pandemic situation right now.
Yeah.
If I talk about the normal conditions, like students used to come to the institution, they attend the classes and all that. Students are now not interested in attending the classes. They just used to come to the institution or the colleges anywhere in DU or any other colleges just for the sake of attendance. 75% attendance is compulsory, but actually our education system needs to be improved in a practical manner, in an industry oriented manner, so that students would be able to attend the classes, and they will definitely attend the classes if curriculum and other parts gets changed.
Okay, that's good to know, sir. So when you first came to college, sir, what was your vision of your college? What plannings or what strategies do you have in mind?
Very good question. Actually, I joined this college around 10 years back. When I came here, my curriculum vitae, I mean my CV was 3 pages long. Now my CV is 41 pages long.
Okay.
So it's quite obvious I did something for the institution. Not very much, but something for the institution. I'm the IQAC-Coordinator. I mean Internal Quality Assurance Cell Coordinator, and I used to see the quality measurements of the institution. What has to be done, what has not to be done. Okay, every file has to be, or every quality standard has to be signed by me, and each and every seminar for either it's for the students, it's either for the faculty members, any FDP, any PDP, FPDP, any conference, or any refresher course kind of things. Actually, we people, along with the honorable director of the institution, he's the chairman of IQAC. We people decide what is the best for the institution, and we do for that, just to reach our institution at some great heights. If I talk about today's era, our institution stands at first position in BBA CAM, second position in BA LLB, and at fourth position in BBA General, out of so many colleges of the IP University. Thank you. Next, please.
Okay, so the next question is, what do you think should be the college top priority over the next 10 years?
Okay, that's a very good question. Actually, we are looking for some more employment, for the students, and for more quality standards. Actually, we have come up with 2 MOEs already with some great universities. First one is that Delhi University. Second one is Sunrise University. Now we are coming up in 2 or 3 days with the University of Dubai, University of Tanis, University of Texas here, and Microsoft and Tally, and one more MOU is about to be signed very soon in 2 or 3 days. And this will boost the skills and the market value of the institution. Skills of the students, actually they are going to learn a lot, and they'll be able to start with some certification programs provided by or offered by Microsoft and Tele. Along with that, they may choose any programs from the University of Dubai, University of Tanis or Texas, and they'll be able to receive or earn some international certificates.
Okay. So my next question is related to that. Sir, the education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. So in your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here in your institute?
In studies, actually, I just discussed something about the MOUs we are going to sign. In Tally, in Microsoft, actually we have a number of courses and curriculums already set for the students. And apart from this, if I talk about, actually studies must be career oriented, job oriented, and we are working very hard for that. If any student goes for Tally course, he will definitely get a job in the accounts field very soon. After BBA, if I talk about just after graduation, jobs are not lying in the market just like that, right? You have to be PG, you have to be postgraduate if you wish to get some job in the market. But after the successful completion of your graduation and the Tally course, the examination of Tally course, you will be able to get definitely some accounts job somewhere.
Okay, so you enrich the skills of the students So, sir, my next question is, sir, any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students who are looking for an admission for the next session?
Only one thing, actually, no institution in my site is coming up with so many of MOUs. Actually, we have signed around 6 MOUs in this session, just for the sake of students. From Microsoft, from Tally, from I just discussed 3 or 4 universities, and two more great universities. Actually, we are planning to come up with some short-term courses for the students with DU. We are planning for that, just for the sake of students, just for the sake of for students knowledge. We are coming up with so many of the things. Actually, blueprint is totally ready, and we are very soon we are ready to come up with that.
Okay, sir, this will be the last question, sir. How do you tend to establish a healthy relation and environment in your institute with the environment?
Okay, actually, first of all, we need to understand the meaning of relationships. For that, actually, there must be some healthy relationship in between the professor and the student. This is not the school. This is the institution. This is the college, and for that, we have class in charges for each and every class. We conduct seminars, workshops, and virtual conferences, guest lectures from very big names, from eminent personalities. And nowadays it's being very much, we used to take the students to industrial visits. We used to take the students for tours, and so many of the things are there. Actually, this is already mentioned in the brochure of the institution. And uniform is compulsory for 3 days. I mean, alternate days, MWF. Actually, this is all about discipline. If your office or your house is disciplined, nothing gets disturbed. Our college focuses mainly on studies, co-curricular activities, discipline, and most importantly, your personality. We groom the personality of the students by providing so many of the opportunities, like sharing the stage for dramatics, for sports, for eco club, for dance club, for music club, for each. So many of the activities are here. Apart
Okay.
from studies, you will definitely dance, you will definitely come into the dramatics, you will definitely sing the song if you are into that. But definitely our college is providing so many of the things. And nearby in 500 meters we have Kakaduma Court metro station. In 1.5 kilometers we have Kalkaduma metro station. In 3.7 kilometers we have Welcome metro station. Our institution is centrally connected with the metro stations, and in East Delhi and in Noida side, our institution is at number one.
That's
These are
congratulations
the
sir, on your sir. Congratulations on
Thank
that,
you.
sir. And
Thank
we
you.
are thank you. We are thank you for being with us. So this will be the end of the interview. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So, would you be sending some link to me regarding the same?
Yeah, when it is curated and about to be published, so I will send you a link for verification. Then I will publish it, sir. And
Okay.
regarding that, sir, could you also send a profile photo and a brief description of your profile over WhatsApp?
Okay, I can send you my CV.
Okay, and a good profile photo, high quality profile photos. Okay, thank you, sir.
Done. Thank you so much. Thank you.